Hi, I'm Dr. Ed Jacobs, and the originator of Impact Therapy. And this is Dr. Tori Stone, and we're going to talk about one concept of impact therapy that's important, and it's the voice. How do you say it? Face?
I say voice, pace, and face. Voice, face, and pace.
Okay, you go ahead and talk about that.
I think it's really important for us as counselors to pay attention to how we're talking, the voice that we're using with clients. For instance, I work with adolescents, and sometimes I find I need a firm voice. I call it my mom voice that I'll use to get through a concept, and sometimes I need a more nurturing voice. So paying close attention to my voice, but also to the voice of the client. If the client is using a very low, quiet voice, I might use a more commanding voice to pull them up into more of an adult perspective and help them in the session.
If you have not thought about your voice, it's so important that you do, and you have more than one voice pattern. And the face, how you use your face, we're going to have other clips showing some actual or some role play impact therapy sessions. But you want to pay attention to the face of the counselor, and also all counselors should be reading the face of their client. So that's where we got voice and face, and then the pace of the. Sometimes you need to slow down. That's what you're referring to. Yeah, you slow down. Sometimes you speed up because there's a depressed client. You don't want to match their voice usually. You want to have a pace that's a little different than what their pace is. What else do you have on it?
Again, working with adolescents, often I get the eager teenage girl whose pace is very quick and sort of frenetic. So I use my own pace to slow them down, to really focus in on giving attention to what the issue is. And I find that using a calm pace with an angry parent, an upset teacher, can help them to model that tone and to make a session more productive.
Okay. The last thing I can say, if you want to know more about impact therapy, I would encourage you to watch other YouTube clips or go to my website, impacttherapy.com.